Brian Ackman at Oak Ridge Elementary. I created a quick little warm-up tagging game called Tag 10, and basically everyone's it. The first way we play it, version 1, you tag other students on the back, or you could say other body parts, arm, leg. I just play on the back. When you get to 10, you sit down. So you try to move, play defense, protect your back, but nothing really happens when you're tagged. And then offense, you're trying to tag other people's backs. If you tag 10, you sit down. When most kids are sitting down, we stop and start it again. Then I thought of a version 2. Version 2, you tag others in the back, and you are still trying to tag 10, so you add up as you tag other people, but when people tag you, you subtract a point. So if I've tagged 5 people and someone tags me, I'm down to 4. Then if I tag 2, I'm up to 6. 3 people tag me, I'm down to 3. You try to get to 10 by moving and dodging and protecting your back, but also tagging other kids. This game lasts a little bit longer, and if you get to 10, then you sit down, just like the previous game. I'll show you what it looks like real soon.